If you spend hours typing every day, your keyboard matters more than you think. A good mechanical keyboard can boost your speed, reduce fatigue, and make work way more enjoyable. So today, I'm showing you the best mechanical keyboards for productivity in 2026 for different budgets and work styles. Productivity keyboards are not just about gaming anymore. People want comfort, quiet typing, wireless options, and clean desk setups. So I picked keyboards that balance typing feel, features, and real-world usability for work. The Keychron Q1 is a premium choice for people who love customization and solid build quality. It has a full aluminum body, hot swappable switches, and deep key travel. It's amazing for long typing sessions, but it's heavy, wired in most versions, and definitely not cheap. The Logitech MX Mechanical is built for modern office setups. It has low-profile mechanical switches, wireless connectivity, and multi-device pairing. It's quieter than most mechanical keyboards and super comfortable for all-day work. But it's expensive and has very limited customization. The Keychron K Pro series is a great middle ground. You get mechanical switches, wireless support, hot swap sockets, and solid build quality at a lower price than the Q series. It's perfect if you want flexibility without going full enthusiast. The Royal Kludge RK84 is a budget-friendly productivity keyboard. It's wireless, compact, and hot swappable. It doesn't feel as premium as the Keychron options, but it's great value if you want mechanical typing without spending too much. When choosing a productivity keyboard, focus on 3 things: typing comfort, noise level, and connectivity. Low-profile switches are great for offices. Full mechanical switches feel better for long typing sessions. Wireless is convenient, but wired is more stable and faster. If you want premium build quality and deep customization, go with the Keychron Q1. If you want wireless convenience and office-friendly typing, choose the Logitech MX Mechanical. If you want the best balance of features and price, the Keychron K Pro series is your best bet. And if you're on a budget, the Royal Kludge RK84 is a solid option. There's no single perfect keyboard for everyone. The best one for you depends on how you work and what you care about most. Check the current prices and reviews linked in the description and pick the one that actually fits your workflow. Buy smart and save your money.